In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Figma designs to code for use in either Lovable or Base 44. This process is quite straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth transition from your design to a functional code base. First and foremost, let's focus on preparing your Figma design. Before you even think about exporting anything, you need to make sure your design is well organized. This means grouping related layers together. This helps maintain order and structure in your exported code. You should also name your frames and components in a clear and descriptive way. For instance, labels like header, hero section, and footer make it easier for the code to reflect the design logic. Additionally, using auto layout and maintaining consistent spacing is crucial. These practices enable the code generator to accurately interpret your layout structure, resulting in cleaner, more manageable code. Once your design is ready, the next step is exporting your Figma design to code. Depending on your specific requirements, Figma provides options to convert your designs into HTML, CSS, and even React components. Make sure to familiarize yourself with Figma's code export tools, as using them efficiently will significantly ease the transition. After you've exported the code from Figma, it's time to clean and organize it. Code exported directly from design tools can sometimes be a bit messy or contain unnecessary elements. Take the time to go through and tidy up the code, removing any redundant tags and ensuring that everything is neatly structured. This not only enhances readability and maintenance, but also prepares it for the next stage. If you're planning to use Lovable, there are a few things to keep in mind. Although Lovable doesn't directly import code yet, you can still work with it by taking some extra steps. Begin by opening your exported code in a code editor such as VS Code. To make it accessible to Lovable, you can host your code temporarily on platforms like Netlify or GitHub Pages. Once hosted, head over to Lovable's website and create a new project. Ensure you prompt Lovable correctly so it can guide you through integrating your code. For those opting for Base 44, you'll find that it's a bit more developer-focused and offers direct code import functionality. Start by opening Base 44 Studio. Once there, look for the Import Project or Upload Files option. You can either upload your project in a zip format or provide a link to your GitHub repository. Base 44 will then convert your HTML or React files into editable components, allowing you to use their AI features to enhance or redesign various elements. No matter which platform you choose, both Lovable and Base 44 offer AI tools that can further assist you. With Lovable AI, you can refine your visuals even more, while Base 44's tools allow for optimization and cleaner design integration. With these steps, you should now be well on your way to successfully converting your Figma designs into functional code for use in Lovable or Base 44. Happy designing and coding!